Why? Shit. Water is coming down from down there. It's not coming up from up. Goes away. But then we have the same issue here. Water is coming from there into the trail. Okay, so here it is working. Water is going away. Same with this one. Needs a little bit of fixing. But let's see what I can do. Water is pouring directly from under dirt. So this one is all screwed up. I'm gonna try to fix it, even though we have another one better over there. So let's see what I can do here. Okay, so now water is flowing opposite to the berm and it's caught or cut, whatever, for this deviation, I guess. So it's clean and it's going out of the trail. We have the second one, all the cracks filled, and we have a second barrier. The water is supposed to go out that way. It's clean as well. Let me keep going down. So to hit this jump, you basically need to fill out that line right there, because that is coming from that berm over there, straight line, and we have some roots there. That's what I'll be filling it out. So basically you break trail next to the erosion area, make it loose and fill out the crack with the same dirt, and then basically it's gonna be flat the area and be ready to go. You are building this kind of stuff, you cannot expect that the water turn left just because the water fill out the stuff and keeps going. You basically need to make a smooth turn, 45-degree angle, to get the trail out, or the water out of the trail. Something like this. Turn 45 and then 45, and then you get the water out of the trail. Free backs, they don't work. This one, more or less. Okay, so the landing was fixed, all the roots are covered, and now the transition out of the trail is smooth, in a very slow motion to the left, not in 90-degree angles. Outside the trail, it's another issue. And that's it for this area. Wow, a lot of coyote activity around this area. Holy shit. Okay, here we need to get the water out of the trail somewhere here. So I dig a hole deeper than the trail, so the water by gravity will go in that hole and out of the trail, and hopefully this mess will no longer be an issue. Well, that's it for today. Trash that I pick it up on my way down and making it nice. Shit, that's a lot of dirt. Oh, cool.